Hello everyone, in this episode, I would like to show you how to program xArm's action through hand control. Let's focus on these two buttons. First, you need to long press this program button. Let's turn on the switch first. And then, long pressing the program button until you hear a sound of beep. That means you can use your hand to control it. After designing one action, you need to press program button again until hearing a sound. Finally, if you finish all the actions, do not forget to click program button again, which means recording all the actions. Let's see how it runs. Okay, so much for today's introduction. If you still have any doubts, do not hesitate to let me know. Bye!